This is ScreenKlean, and it's a carbon technology cleaner that's non-toxic that I can use on my computers and iPads, glasses, I imagine. So let's try it on my computer. This is filthy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So you have to press down, but you can use it like an eraser. And I think that's how it works the best. It actually picks up the smudges and all. This works much better than a cloth because the cloth, I often find that it leaves lint and residue on the screen and I have to keep going back. But this is just one item, small, easy to store. But what I like about it is this was the dirtiest screen I've ever seen, and it's really taken all of that away. ScreenKlean, definitely recommend this.